Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to get your Shopify store on Google. To list your Shopify store on Google, first ensure it's set up with a configured domain. It's best if your store is already set up, your domain is added, and your homepage is created with some products listed. Do this before Google setup. If your store's ready, just configure it on Google to appear in searches. In Shopify, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. Click that. Open the themes page and select your theme. Click the three-dot button, open the menu and select Edit Code. This opens the theme files page. On the left, you'll see a list of files. Look for theme.liquid. We'll be using this file. Click it to open the theme script. Go to line 3 where the header tag is. At the end of the header line, press enter for a new line. Now open a new browser tab for Google. Go to google.com to see the search bar. Click and search for Google Search Console. Just type and search. The first result will be Google Search Console. We can click here and the Google Search Console page will appear. Click Start Now and the next page will welcome you and ask to set up the property. Here you'll see two options, the domain and the URL prefix. We'll choose the URL option on the right and here we'll edit our domain. I'll enter HTTPS and you'll edit your domain as configured in Shopify. I've set up my domain in Shopify, so you should have your store's domain configured there too. Next, let's click Continue below. Now it will ask us to verify the property. Here we'll choose the option called HTML tag. After clicking, two steps will appear asking us to configure the code shown here. I'll click copy, so just click and the code will be copied. Let's go back to Shopify and paste our code in the blank line we left earlier. Just paste the code, then click the save button in the top right corner. Wait a moment. After saving, we can return to Google. Back in Google, after saving, click the verify button. Wait a few minutes. It'll confirm verification, then click Go to Property. This opens the Google Search Console. It'll show blank info at first. It'll say it's processing. Wait a few days, then check back. This helps Google index your site properly. For faster search indexing, set up the sitemap in the Google Search Console. When you have a domain on Google, it needs to know which pages are in your store. To access your store's sitemap, edit the domain URL, add a slash, type sitemap.ml and press enter. This opens a page with other sitemap links. It shows sitemaps for your store's products, pages, collections, and blogs. If you open these links, you'll find detailed info about your product. This is more of a general sitemap. You'll need to submit this link in the Google Search Console. Just copy the link or you can view the page first. I've already opened it, but you can view the page and copy the link. Back in Google Search Console, look for sitemaps on the left sidebar. Simply click on it. After clicking, it'll show add a new sitemap in the field. Here's your domain. Just edit sitemap.ml. That's it. It's exactly like you accessed before. To check if it worked, edit here, then click the submit button. It'll verify. It'll say it was added successfully. Now it'll show the sitemap date added and last read date. Here it shows 0 discovered pages. This is because it takes days to read and update. If you click on it, it'll open the page. For some pages, it'll say it couldn't read them. Some pages are successful, showing URLs found. All you need to do is leave it be. Ignore red errors. It takes time to process. It'll also update your store. It'll update here on Google. However, the key point is that the status is now successful. From now on, Google will analyze all pages, including your store's homepage and products, and index them. Here's a tip to check if your site is being added to Google Web. Open a new Google page and type site followed by your domain name. I'll enter my domain name here and hit enter. Since I just added my store, it says no documents were found, so no links were found. Wait a few days, then check again. To show the difference, I'll use the channel site. I'll enter hosttube.net, and you'll see many pages because I set this up long ago and the site has existed for a while. You'll do the same for yours. It might show as not found, but just wait a few days and check again for updates. Now you've set up your store to appear on Google. However, you need to wait for Google to analyze and correctly display pages in searches. I hope this video helped you.